Hello, and welcome to any other update video approximately XRP. XRP continues to consolidate simply underneath the all-time excessive, which isn't unexpected. Okay, it is able to take a moment until such an all-time high degree is damaged, at least until we can sustain above it. For now, the overall wave pattern remains unchanged. The assist parameters are still defined inside the place among 252 and 2.94. So we have this support area at the chart. We've already placed it onto the chart a few days in the past, so from that point of view, not anything has really modified. In reality, what we honestly wanted to see became a piece of a pullback, and it seems to be unfolding right now. So I'm no longer going to speak approximately the bigger picture. I'm now not going to speak about the triangle breakout something. We want to take a look at the microstructure due to the fact we've got some new traits. And standard, nothing else, has modified proper. So we do see these days a little bit of a sell-off within the crypto area. Okay, Solana and the Trump coin, they are going up. That's, of course, high quality. But there may be a fundamental catalyst behind that. And the idea become that Solana should reach 360 subsequently besides, right? Now, on the XRP chart, we're currently seeing a little bit of a pullback, so it won't be always inside the cognizance nowadays. However, also pullbacks maintain, or exactly pullbacks preserve opportunities. Proper, nothing bad, yeah. No increase can show up without pullbacks in among. So it looks like a healthful pullback, at the least for the time being. And additionally, it is a pullback that seems to be an awful lot in step with our parameters that we're monitoring besides in this. In this wave 2 correction there, that's highlighted in yellow proper. So we pointed out the 5 waves up after the triangle completed. It reached the ultimate excessive stage round 330 key degree there. And the idea changed into that from here. We'd see a bit of a pullback. The question is always, how deep is the pullback going to be? Now, all we can do is the first class of our knowledge to keep, to have, to put a guide place onto the chart. That's in this example, as it's possibly a wave correction. You realize this wave 2 correction here is usually going it needs to, let's say wave in standard, must reach the region between the 78 fib level and the 38.2 fib degree. There are extra stages which can be often brought on and reach the 50% and the 61.8 retracement. So we speak about 294, 281, 268 and 252 as short-term assist stages. And when we study the shape here, we will see that the decline is quite much very direct, choppy and overlapping, so it would not appearance impulsive. And a wave 2 is not an impulse. A wave 2 is a correction which consists of 3 waves, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Now that is manifestly then in which microstructures get a little bit ambiguous, and it would not certainly make feel on this wave degree to head definitely into the nanostructure. But it's miles viable that wave A extends a bit decrease, I would say, yeah. Very often we see an A wave reach the region across the 38.2 or 50% retracement form of in that vicinity. We're now not there yet. We don't need to get there. And it actually counts as a 3-wave circulate down. However, it should be a WXY structure. That is a bit rare. So if it's becoming an ABC structure in wave A, or perhaps even a diagonal, one extra low could be perfect in wave A. Then we will look ahead to a capacity jump, which may be corrective in nature. So once more, it would most likely be, without a doubt, a 3-wave move up earlier than we then move down lower, likely to goal 281, 268 or 252. Again, how precisely a correction is unfolding, that is always difficult to mention and in fact not possible to say. Well, we typically track an ABC structure due to the fact it's far the most common shape of a correction. Any spoil above the ultimate excessive, if it's a sustained destroy, any smash above 339 or its extra like 3.40 might probably send us to the next larger degree Fibonacci stage above at $4.19, maybe even $5. Should the market go underneath 252, a reinterpretation of the chart might be wished. However, which pattern we are then going to follow, it'll depend on how this shape breaks, what sort of momentum, how the indicators are searching at, and so forth. So it will be short-term bearish for sure. However, will it challenge the general assumption? Probably no longer. But we're going to keep you up to date. So hope you preferred the update. If you probably did, please hit the like button, go away a remark, and subscribe. And in case you definitely like the content material, then please check out the channel club. Also make certain that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content.